Hello friends, welcome back to this session. So in the last class we have seen the applications of vectors to the geometry. So we have proved the very six famous statements from the geometry. If you have not seen those videos, please go through that video. Okay. So let's start the exercise 5.4, which is completely based on the applications of vectors to the geometry. So let's see the first question. The statement goes like this: if a in bracket 1 4 2 coordinates of a, b -2 3 -5 are the vertices and g in bracket 4 by 5 4 by 3, it's not 5, 4 by 3 comma 0 comma -2 by 3 is the centroid of a triangle, is the centroid of a triangle ABC, then by vector method find the midpoint of side BC. Then by vector method find midpoint of BC. Okay, very straightforward question. So instead of asking the BC coordinates, they are asking for the midpoint of BC. Okay, so very simple question. See here, they have given the vertices coordinates and as well as the centroid coordinates. So the very first statement we have taken in the last video, that is the centroid of any triangle ABC is given as, that is G bar is always equals to A bar plus B bar plus C bar upon 3. Okay, so first of all let's find out the C bar. So it's a 3G bar is equals to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So let's substitute the values of G bar. So G bar is nothing but 4 by 3. So it is a 3 into 4 by 3 I plus 0J minus 2 by 3 K. It is equals to, what is A bar is? It is I plus 4J plus 2K plus B bar is, it is minus 2I plus 3J and minus 5K and plus C bar we don't know. Let's find out that. So on the left hand side, this 3 3 3 we can easily cancel out. So it is remaining is the 4I plus 0J minus 2K. It is equals to the same part. So it is 1 minus 2 is minus I, 4 plus 3 is 7J and 2 minus 5 is minus 3K plus C bar. So from this C bar is equals to what? It is C bar is equals to, you take these on the left hand side. So we'll get 4 plus 1 I plus 0 minus 7 J and plus minus 2 plus 3 K. It is equals to C bar, that is we have written already. Okay, so the C bar is equals to 5I minus 7J plus K. Okay, so this is the value of C bar. Now let's find out the midpoint of BC. So for that we should require the using the midpoint formula. Okay, let BC is the segment of a triangle BC and let's take P is the midpoint of this BC. So P bar is equals to what? It is a C bar plus B bar by 2. As simple as that. We have seen in the internal section formula. So B bar is minus 2 3 minus 5. So it is minus 2 3 minus 5 plus C bar is 5I minus 7J plus K whole divided by 2. So let's check what can be cancelled out. It is equals to minus 2 plus 5, it is 3I, 3 minus 7, it is minus 4J and minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4k whole divided by 2. So the coordinate of the point becomes, just remove these I, j, k, you will get the coordinate. So this is nothing but the position vector of a point P. So P becomes, it is equals to 3 by 2 comma minus 4 by 2 comma minus 4 by 2, or you can simplify it as like this, 3 by 2 comma minus 2 and minus 2. Is this okay? So this is nothing but the required answer, which is the midpoint of a BC. Very simple. Okay, let's see the next one. Next question. Question number 2. So again the same concept. It is the same question of your centroid. If A in bracket 2 minus 2 3, B in bracket x 4 and it's minus 1, C in bracket 3x minus 5 are the vertices and G in bracket 2 1 minus 1 is the centroid of a triangle ABC, is the centroid of a triangle ABC, then by vector method find the value of x. Then by vector method find x, find the value of x. Okay, so how to proceed? Centroid दिया है and all the three sides are given, so very simple. So you know that the centroid G bar is equals to A bar plus B bar plus C bar, okay, upon 3. So it will be 3G bar is equals to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Now substitute the values. G is 3 into G is 2I plus J minus K equals to A is 2I minus 2J plus 3K. What is B? It is XI plus 4J minus K. And what is C is? It is 3I plus KJ minus 5K. XJ minus 5K. Okay. Now as you have this equal sign, we can easily compare the coefficients of I, J and K. Okay. So it will be what? It is a 6I plus 3J minus 3K. It is equals to, let's have the I factor first. 2 plus x plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 plus x I. Then we have minus 2 plus 4, that is plus 2 and x. So it is 2 plus x. It is equals to j plus 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 5 is nothing but minus 2. Okay, so 2 minus 5 is nothing but minus 3k. Okay, now we can easily compare these two vectors. So as these two vectors are same, their coefficients of I, J and K should be same. So here if we can directly see, the coefficient of K is directly the minus 3. So from that, therefore we can easily compare the 5 plus x is equals to 6. So x कितना आ गया बॉस? x आ गया 1. Okay, or you can make use of the second j coefficient, which is 2 plus x is equals to 3. So x is equals to what? Again 1. You can go in any way. Okay, so what is the value of x for this question is x is equals to 1. Very simple. Let's see the next one. Third question. The statement goes like this. Third question. Using vector method, okay, find the incenter of a triangle. Oh, very good. Find the incenter of a triangle whose vertices are whose vertices are P in bracket 0 4 0, Q in bracket 0 0 3, and R in bracket 0 4 3. Okay, we have to find out the vertices of in center of this triangle PQR. And you know that if you have seen the last video where we have discussed the applications of vectors to the geometry, there we have discussed the in center of a triangle. So what is in center? In center is nothing but it is the intersection of angle bisectors. Please note this, it's intersection of angle. Orthocenter is the intersection of the altitudes. Okay, so and in this section we have proved the in center of a triangle is always equals to, suppose that in center, let's name that equals to m bar. Okay, let me draw first triangle so that it will be easy for you to understand. So it is P, Q and R. So the angle bisectors are like this. Okay, and like this. So these are the angle, this angle same, these two are same, and these two are same, angle bisectors. So let's name this point as M, and this M is nothing but the in center. So m bar is equals to, so if you know the sides of this triangle, then we can easily find out. So suppose this is x, this length, this x, this length is y, and this length is z. QR is x, PR is y, and PQ is z. Then the in center formula is given directly as, so it is what, x into p bar, it is equals to x into p bar plus y into q bar, the opposite vertex, y into q bar. Okay, let me have, these are the position vectors they have given, plus z into what is opposite vertex is r bar, so it is z into r bar, divided by x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z, very simple formula for the in center. Okay, so now let's directly substitute the values. So before that substitution, we require the values of x, y and z. So first, what is x is? X is nothing but a qr bar. So qr bar is nothing but r bar minus q bar. So let's have that r bar minus q bar. R minus q is 0i, 4 minus 0 is plus 4j, and 3 minus 3 is 0k. ये हो गया qr bar. So implies mod q कितना हो गया? Mod q is nothing but the value x, which is nothing but root of 4 square is nothing but 4 only. Let's find out the PR bar then. PR bar is equals to R bar minus P bar. R bar minus P bar is R minus P is 0i, 4 minus 4 is plus 0j, and 3 minus 0 is plus 3k. So implies mod PR कितना आ गया बस? Mod PR is nothing but y, which is nothing but 3 again. Next have the PQ bar. So PQ bar is, so let's P minus Q. PQ bar is Q minus P. So it is Q minus P. So 0 minus 4 and 3. 0 minus 4 3. So it is Q bar minus P bar. 0 minus 4 plus 3k. So mod of PQ bar, it is equals to root of square, 0 square plus 16 plus 9, it's 9. So which is nothing but root of 25, which is nothing but 5, and this is nothing but the value z. Okay, so now let's substitute the values of x, y, z and p, q, r bar. So therefore m bar is equals to, we have xp bar plus yq bar plus zr bar upon x plus y plus z, which is equals to x कितना है? X is 4, so it is 4 into p is, what is p is 0 4 0, so it is 0i plus 4j plus 0k plus y is 3 into q bar. What is q bar? 0 0 3, so it is 0i plus 0j plus 3k and plus 5 into z bar is nothing but 043. I think it is r bar is 043, so it is z into 0I plus 4j plus 3k. Okay, so whole divided by addition of all these three, 4 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, so let's simplify this. This is equal to 4 into 4 is 16j plus 3 into 3 is 9k plus 20j plus 15k होल डिवाइडेड बाय 7, ये 8 हो गया और ये 12 हो गया, ये 12 विच इज इक्वल्स टू j इज 36j plus 24k. Okay, divided by 12. So this is nothing but the m bar. So what they are asking, question is asking for the find the in center. So we need to find out the coordinate of point m bar. So m is equals to, it is 36 by 12 3 and it is 24 by 12 is nothing but 2. So 3 comma 2 is the answer. So sorry, so we don't have here 0I, so don't forget that we are in the 3-dimensional. So it is 0 comma 3 comma 2 is the coordinate of your in center. I hope it makes sense. It's very simple. Let's go to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Using vector method, find the in center of a triangle whose vertices are. Same question है. Using vector method, find the in center of triangle whose vertices are P 0, 2, 1, Q minus 2, 0, 0 and R in bracket minus 2, 0, 2. Okay, so I request all of you, please pause this video and if you try on your own, and after that continue with this video and let's verify your answer. Okay, I think you have solved this question, so let's continue. So in center just now we have seen, let's m bar is equals to what we have is x p bar plus y q bar plus z r bar upon x plus y plus z. Okay, where x y z are nothing but the sides of a triangle. Okay, so let's find out first side. So p q bar is equals to it is nothing but q bar minus p bar, so q minus p, so it is minus 2i, it is minus 2j and minus k. So root of, I want the mod, so this is a mod. Okay, I will have one more step here. So implies, okay, I can do like this, it is 4 plus 4 plus 1 which is nothing but root 9, so it is 3. This is nothing but the mod pq. Let's name this as a x. Okay, so remember like this. So this is a triangle, angle bisectors, and this is like this. So if it is p, this is x, if it is q, this is y, and if it is r, then this is z. Okay, x हो गया, p के साथ x मिल गया अपना. Then find out the pr bar. Pr bar is nothing but r minus p, so minus 2i minus 2j and 2 minus 1 is plus k. So it is implies root of 4 plus 4 plus 1 which is again equals to 3. ये हो गया अपना y की value. Then we have the qr bar. Okay, sorry, so qr bar, so pq bar, so from figure this becomes our z. Okay, then we have the qr bar. Qr bar is nothing but minus 2 plus 2 0i plus 0j and it is plus 2k. Implies mod of qr bar will be what, 2 square, so root of 4 means it is equals to 2. ये हो गया अपना z. Okay, so now let's substitute in the formula in center. M bar is equals to the formula equation number 1, we can say So let me substitute m bar is equals to what we have is x into, yes, x into कौन है, x into p bar. So x into p bar, x value is yes, it is x. So x is nothing but 2 into p bar is 0 to 1, so it is 0i plus 2j plus k. Then we have from figure this y into q. Y is nothing but 3 and q is minus 2, so plus 3 into minus 2i plus 0j plus 0k, and plus z is again 3 and z के साथ कौन आएगा बॉस, z के साथ आएगा r. So r बार कितना है अपना, minus 202. So it is minus 2i plus 0j plus 2k whole divided by xi plus yj plus x plus y plus z, so which is nothing but 3 and 3 6 आणि हे 2 8, so it is equals to 8, so divided by 8. So open the brackets and simplify it. So you will be having 0i plus 4j plus 2k minus 6i plus 0j plus 0k minus 6i plus 0j plus 6k whole divided by 8. Very good, which is equals to again. Now add the same coefficients, 0i minus 6i we will have minus 12i, then 4j 0 and 0 plus 4j. Then next we have is the 206, so which is 8, so it is 8k whole divided by 8. So that's it. So this is the position vector of our m bar. So they are asking for the point m, so this will be equals to minus 12 by 8, 4 by 8 and 8 by 8. So if I simplify this, charithrikam 12, charituni 8, 1 by 2 and it's 1. So this will be my final answer. Is it okay? It's very simple, boss. Okay, use just concepts which we have studied in the last class. So if you are not seen, of course you know that what to do, go and check out that video. Okay, good. Let's see the next question. Question number 5. Using the vector method, prove that what we have to prove is, let's see, the centroid of a triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides, of a given triangle, okay, coincides with the centroid of the given triangle. It's very simple. Just try to understand the statement. Okay, so with the help of statement, let's try to draw figure. So अपने पास एक triangle है. Okay, so it's a given triangle. Yes, this is a given triangle. So let's name this as a ABC is a given triangle, and let's have the midpoint of these sides A, B and C. Okay, now ABC का एक centroid रहेगा अपने पास. So let's that the centroid is here somewhere, which is nothing but the intersection of the medians. So this is the centroid G. Now after taking the midpoints, you will have one more triangle with the help of these midpoints. Okay, let's name this as a P, Q and R. Okay, now इसका भी centroid यहाँ पे ही रहेगा, ऐसा वो बोल रहे हैं. So let's, this is a G1 and this is a G2. So what we have to show that G1 and G2 are same, they are coinciding each other. The centroid of original triangle and the centroid formed by the midpoints of the sides of a original triangle these two are same points. Okay, so how to prove this using the factor method? Very simple, boss. What you know, in a given triangle, ABC, okay, G bar is equals to what? Okay, G1 bar is equals to what? So this is our G1, which is given, which is A bar plus B bar plus C bar by 3. So equation number 1. Okay, so now let's find out the P, Q and R bar. P bar is equals to what? It is a midpoint of AB, so it will be A bar plus B bar by 2, which is nothing but, okay, let it be, keep it as it is. So Q bar is equals to what? Which is the midpoint of AC bar, so it is A bar plus C bar by 2, and the R bar is equals to B bar plus C bar by 2. Okay, now let's find out the centroid of the small triangle PQR. Let G2 bar be the centroid of small triangle PQR. So this is equals to G2 bar is equals to, क्या आएगा बॉस? P bar plus Q bar plus R bar upon 3. So let's substitute the values P, Q, R as it is. So P is nothing but A bar plus B bar by 2 plus A bar plus C bar by 2, which is Q bar, and plus R bar is B bar plus C bar by 2, and whole divided by 3 as it is. Okay, so we have the 2 in the denominator, so we can add the numerators simply. What you will get? A bar plus A bar. See here, A bar plus A bar. Okay, we'll add all these things. So A bar plus B bar plus A bar plus C bar plus B bar plus C bar, whole divided by 2 divided by 3. Oh sorry, it's 3. Now take denominator का denominator क्या हो जाएगा भाई? न्यूमरेटर का डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो जाएगा? ये फिर से डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा. So it is nothing but, so if you see 2a, 2b and 2c bar, so it is 2 into A bar plus B bar plus C bar divided by 2, and whole divided by 3. So 2 gets cancelled. So what you are getting finally, this is equals to, so क्या है boss? ये है अपना G2 bar. So this G2 bar is equals to what you are getting, A bar plus B bar plus C bar by 3. So from equation number 1, therefore from equation number 1, this is nothing but a G1 bar again from equation number 1. So finally what you get, G2 bar and G1 bar by same है ना, G1 is equals to G2, G1 bar is equals to G2 bar. So this is the thing they are asking for us to prove. So hence proved. Very simple. Is it okay? That's great. So let's move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 says like this: using vector method. Yes, we can use the vector method now. Using vector method, we are perfect now in the vector method. If Q is the point of concurrence, if Q is the point of concurrence, okay, of the medians of a triangle, of the medians of the triangle, then prove that triangle ABC, then prove that, okay, QA, QB, QC equals to 0. QA bar plus QC bar, QA bar plus QB bar plus QC bar, it is equals to 0. Okay, so if Q is the point of concurrence of the medians बोला है. Okay, अभी तक आपको समझ में आया होगा कि Q क्या है. What is Q then? If it is the intersection point or the concurrence point of the median, then what is Q? Q is nothing but the centroid. Please remember that the 6 all the statements, out of those 6 the 3 are very confusing. Median के साथ अपना आएगा centroid, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. ओके, एंगल बाइसेक्टर के साथ आएगा अपना इन सेंटर, एंड द अल्टीट्यूड के साथ आएगा ऑर्थो सेंटर. प्लीज रिमेंबर these three things. Okay, so as here q is centroid, q is a centroid, therefore q bar is equals to, what are the vertices of triangle ABC? It is a bar plus b bar plus c bar divided by 3. Okay, so what we have to prove? qa bar, qb bar and qc bar is equals to 0. So let's have qa bar now first. So find out qa bar. qa bar is nothing but a bar minus q bar, which is nothing but a bar minus, q bar क्या है? a bar plus b bar plus c bar by 3. Equation number 1. What is qb bar? Which is nothing but b bar minus q bar, which is nothing but b bar minus a bar plus b bar plus c bar by 3. Question number 2. And qc bar is equals to c bar minus q bar, which is equals to c bar minus a bar plus b bar plus c bar by 3. Okay, equation number 3. So what is given is qa bar, qb bar and qc bar is equals to 0. Given LHS, that is qa bar plus qb bar plus qc bar, it is equals to, no, it is not equals to, we have to show that. So substitute the values. qa bar कितना है भाई? It is a bar minus a bar plus b bar plus c bar by 3, minus, then we have plus b bar minus a bar plus b bar plus c bar by 3, and plus c bar minus a bar plus b bar plus c bar by 3. Is this okay? Now what we have then? Next you add the ABCs. So we have a bar plus b bar plus c bar minus 1, 2 and 3. 3 into a bar plus b bar plus c bar by 3. So 3 3 gets cancelled, which is equals to, what you get finally is a bar plus b bar plus c bar minus a bar plus b bar plus c bar. So the same quantity subtraction, so we'll definitely erase these two. This is equals to 0 and this is my RHS. Is this okay? That's great. Okay, so with this we will stop here, and the remaining 6 questions we will see in the next video. Thank you.